got stuck and the trailer was in a really bad spot. So we're pulling it out. Today with AntiShanty, we finally got situated with our base camp. We're gonna do some touring, some skiing, some eating. Base camp's right there, super sweet spot. So we'll catch you as we're headed up the mountain. We're trying to make it up there for golden hour. Missed it. Got my dad's truck stuck in the snow. Made us a little late. So we're gonna head down, do some skiing, eat some dinner, and have a good time. We just got back to base camp. It's getting a little dark. We're gonna cook up some food. We got the Baja Design lights going. Keep it nice and bright out here so we can prep the food. You can see great. We got the undercarriage lights going. Those are awesome for just hanging outside. We're gonna get out the lava box, get that going, get some fire going. We got the heater going on inside, keeping the space super toasty warm. So we'll show you, we'll start cooking and show you what we're cooking up. All right, so we got the lava box going. We're grilling up some steaks on this Camp Chef grill. Potatoes are in there on the burner. Gonna eat some food. We just got done eating, cleaning up, hanging out. It's getting pretty cold, so I think we're gonna call it a night. Catch some Z's. I'm gonna do some video editing tonight probably. Do some more skiing tomorrow, but other than that, I think that's a wrap for tonight.
All right, before we call it, I just wanted to show you, we got the inverter going, we're charging camera batteries, we're charging the drone, we're charging the GoPro, we got USB and 12 volt going, we're powering a heated boot bag, got the Dometic fridge freezer going, and the Wallas heater and cooktop. The power system in these things are awesome.
Just got situated. A-frames for days. Picking up some breakfast, some bacon, some pancakes, and then we're gonna hit up the mountains. we just got done doing some resort skiing with the fam. Now I can grill up some brats, hang out, eat good food, have a good time.
I think that's a wrap. If you want to find out more, go to AntiShanty.com.